Features and benefits abound in the 2026 Honda Passport. With a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine and a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, it performs well on and off-road. Honda's IVT M4 all-wheel drive technology improves traction and stability, and 7 drive modes, snow, sand, and trail, optimize performance for different terrains. What's new in 2026 Honda Passport? While the 3.5-liter V6 returns, it gains 5 horsepower to 285. The 10-speed automatic replaces the 9-speed and delivers torque to Honda's IVT M4 torque vectoring AWD system. Brake rotors and calipers up to 1.2 inches improve stopping. Fender flares, a new front fascia, a new headlamp design, a bolder C-pillar, and beefier roof rails featured on the exterior. The updated Passport has a 2.8-inch longer wheelbase, 1.4-inch wider track, and 8.3-inch ground clearance. Standard heated seats, power folding mirrors, a bigger infotainment screen, and a heated windshield were added. The 2026 Honda Passport will cost between $45,000 and $51,000, depending on trim and options. Maximum towing capability for the 2026 Honda Passport is 5,000 pounds. Only Honda's 285 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 with a 10-speed automatic is offered. At 5,000 RPM, peak torque is 262 lb-ft. The Pilot SUV uses the same engine and transmission, so those numbers may sound familiar. With high-quality materials and user-friendly technologies, the 2026 Passport has a large and pleasant cabin. Standard amenities include a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and a high-quality sound system. Honda Sensing S adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and front collision warning provide peace of mind. Adventure-inspired appearance and enhanced ground clearance and off-road suspension provide the 2026 Passport the capacity to handle tough terrain. The Passport is confident and capable on metropolitan streets and tough routes.